Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of mobile investing with a question that pops up a lot. Can you transfer money to Wealthsimple? Now, for many of us, the idea of investing can feel intimidating. Traditional brokerages often come with a stuffy image, high minimums, and a feeling of needing a finance degree to navigate. But what if there was a way to invest on your own terms, from the comfort of your couch, with just your phone? That's where Wealthsimple comes in. It's a popular online investment platform that prides itself on being accessible and user-friendly. But with all this talk about convenience, a crucial question remains: how do you actually get your money into Wealthsimple to start investing? Well, fret no more. The answer is yes, you absolutely can transfer money to Wealthsimple, and there are several ways to do it, each with its own advantages. So, buckle up as we explore the different methods for funding your Wealthsimple account and find the perfect fit for you. Funding option 1 #, the direct deposit duo of linked bank accounts and pre-authorized debits, PADs. Let's start with the classic approach, linking your bank account. This is a straightforward option that allows you to seamlessly transfer funds between your bank and Wealthsimple. You can either make one-time deposits whenever you have some extra cash or set up a pre-authorized debit, PAD, to automate your investments. Think of a PAD as a virtual assistant for your finances. You tell it the amount and frequency you want to invest, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and Wealthsimple will automatically pull that amount from your linked bank account at the designated time. This is a fantastic option for building a consistent investment habit and taking advantage of dollar-cost averaging, a strategy where you invest smaller amounts regularly to even out the impact of market fluctuations. Funding option 2 #, the instant gratification gang Interac e-transfer. Maybe you're someone who thrives on instant gratification. You see a hot stock tip or an exciting investment opportunity, and you want to jump on it right away. Well, fret not, because Wealthsimple allows you to fund your account instantly with Interac e-transfer. This is a secure and convenient way to transfer funds electronically from your bank account directly to Wealthsimple. It's perfect for those times you want to take advantage of a sudden market shift or simply avoid the wait associated with traditional bank transfers. Funding option 3 #, the debit card dynasty using your Visa or MasterCard. Let's say you're on the go, scrolling through your phone, and inspiration strikes. You see an investment you like and want to act on it immediately. But you don't have your bank login details handy, and the whole e-transfer process feels a bit cumbersome. No problem. Wealthsimple also allows you to directly fund your account using a linked Visa or MasterCard debit card. This is the ultimate convenience option, perfect for those quick, impulsive, but hopefully well-researched, investment decisions. Funding option 4 #, the big move, transferring a whole account from another institution. Perhaps you've already been investing with another brokerage but are looking to switch to Wealthsimple. The good news is, you don't have to sell all your holdings and start from scratch. Wealthsimple allows you to transfer your entire investment account, complete with your stocks, bonds, and ETFs, from another institution to your Wealthsimple account. This process can take a bit longer than the other methods, but it's a great way to consolidate your investments and take advantage of Wealthsimple's features and fees. Plus, for transfers of at least $15,000, Wealthsimple will even reimburse you for any transfer-out fees charged by your old brokerage. Choosing the right funding option for you. So, with all these options on the table, which one is right for you? Well, it really depends on your individual preferences and investing style. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. For the hands-off investor, pre-authorized debits are your best friend. Set it and forget it. For the impulsive investor, Interac e-transfer and debit card funding are your go-to options. For the big switcher, account transfers are the way to move your existing investments to Wealthsimple. Remember, regardless of the method you choose, Wealthsimple doesn't charge any fees for depositing funds into your account. That's a win in our book. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy investing, and remember, do your research before making any investment decisions.